In today's video, I will be building a custom keyboard as an early birthday gift for my girlfriend, which is around next year, mid of next year. Totally not feeling my obsessions with keyboards. So with all that said, let's build it, shall we? Oh shit, sorry, got a little bit too excited. Sorry, moving on. So for this build, I will be using the TM68 that's bought from Shopee. I went with this specific case because of a reaction towards my previous darling build was like, "Oh my god, it has a knob! It looks so cute and cool! Ooh woo!"
I never said ooh woo.
So yeah, that's why I got her this case. The TM68 is a 65% layout board with a USB-C 5-pin hot swap PCB and a knob for media control. Yes, I get that knobs are overly hyped, but she likes it, so obviously she gets it, right? Yeah? No? The board does not support screen stabs, so I will be using the stock stabs instead because they're pretty decent, but disclaimer, if you plan on using the stock stabs, make sure to mod them as they do not come in factory loop and they sound terrible. I also noticed that there's a bump at the bottom of the stem, so I trimmed them off to remove the unpleasant noise when it hits the PCB. I lightly looped the housing and the stem with Krytox 205 grade 0 and proceeded with tuning and looping the wires. Surprisingly, they do not need much tuning, so after that I looped them with Krytox 205 grade 0, assembled them, popped them back into the plate, and here is the final result. After some thorough research with my girlfriend, which was like one Joops switch comparison video, we went with the NK creams because she likes the sound of them. So as I've mentioned previously, she like it, I get it, okay. But my blind ass got the wrong switches and ended up with box creams instead, so we'll be using that instead of the regular ones. Anyways, I looped the housing, this thingy, and back looped the springs with Krytox 205 G0, and this is how they sound like. Pop them all in and voila! Nice. As for the keycaps, I'll be using the GMK Botanical clones because she likes green, so I think she might like this one too. And also the real ones are expensive as heck, so oh my god! Since I have extra silicone dampeners lying around, I might as well just try it out and slap it onto the board. The silicone dampener wouldn't fit into the case by itself, so I had to cut it up and fit it into the board. And I did not include the bottom part of the case, if you can see there, because if I did, the case wouldn't close up properly and it's not nicey, you know? So I secured the screws back into the board, put on the keycaps, and here is the final before and after sound test. Enjoy! So overall, I think this is a pretty good board, but the spacebar could be a little bit lower on the pitch for my taste, but that's my taste, so not my board. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm trying out new things, so yeah. If you liked it, smash the like button like how you would smash. Comment down below what kind of videos would you like to see in the future, and sub if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.